The semiconductor market is rapidly growing and is also constantly evolving. The demand for new products, customer requirements, and innovation drives it. Semiconductor market analysis provides insight into the current state of the market and helps businesses plan for future expansion and launch new products. It also helps to identify customer needs and trends to meet their demands. Data-driven market analysis can provide valuable information about the supply chain, customer preferences, product launches, and other factors that can help businesses make informed decisions about their future growth strategies. With this information, companies can better understand their customers' needs and develop strategies to meet them while staying ahead of the competition in the ever-changing semiconductor market. To achieve all these goals, capturing reliable market data for the semiconductor industry is essential for businesses to make informed decisions. With the right tools and sources, companies can gain insights into the current state of the market and use this data to analyze trends and develop strategies. Conversely, the semiconductor design and manufacturing market is a complex and ever-evolving industry. It involves the sourcing of raw materials, the creation of integrated circuits, and the manufacturing process. It makes analyzing data from various sources a critical step. This analysis can also help companies make informed decisions about their investments in semiconductor design and manufacturing processes. As part of long-term strategy, companies must analyze the current demand for their product and the potential for future growth. They must also consider the cost of production and distribution and how to introduce their product to the market best. By leveraging market data, companies can make informed decisions about when and how to launch their new semiconductor products. It will help them maximize profits while minimizing risks associated with launching a new product.